welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jenny and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on my channel every single week. And today I'm so excited because I am going to share with you guys how to shop your favorite looks from Instagram and Facebook and even from YouTube. So if you see some of mine or other influencers' looks that you love from your favorite social media apps, there is an easy and free way to shop those quickly and easily so that you can buy your favorite looks, your favorite pieces from looks without spending any money to find those links, and it's super easy and fun through the Like to Know It app. So I'm going to share with you guys today how to do that quickly and easily, and it's free. And so if that's something you want to know how to do, if you are unfamiliar with the Like to Know It app, you don't know how to use it, or you are concerned that it is going to charge you money or you have to join something to do it, then this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how to do that, and so you can shop those links super easy. So if that's something you want to know how to do, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's say that you're scrolling through Instagram and you're following me or your favorite YouTuber, your favorite Instagrammer, or whatever, and they post an adorable outfit that you love. And so you really want to buy the top that you see in it, or you want to buy the shorts that you see in it, or the cutest shoes you've ever seen. And you're like, I have to have those shoes, or I have to have that top. And you see that they posted that it's from Target or whatever. So you go to the Target website, you look through all the tops, you're trying to find this. There's like 20 pages of tops, and it takes you forever to find this top. And then sometimes you do find it, sometimes you don't find it, but it is a huge long thing for you and you're like, forget it, whatever. Well, there is a much easier way to find the things that you want, the things that you're interested in, and it is through the free Like to Know It shopping app. So I'm gonna show you really quickly how you can do that and how you can find all the fun things that you want to shop. So the first thing you're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you through screen recording, so just follow with me here, people. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is go to your app store and you're gonna search for the Like to Know It app. Okay, and it is super easy to find, and it's a cute little white circle with a heart in it. So you're gonna go to the Like to Know It app and download that. It is completely free. Obviously, I already have the Like to Know It app, so that's what it looks like when you pull it up. So here's what it looks like when you don't have an account already. So I'm gonna create an account for Sean, my husband. He's gonna be so excited. He loves shopping all of my looks. So I'm gonna create an account for Sean. So all you do is put in your email address and then you put in a password. I put in his password as something dumb because I deleted this account right after I created it, because obviously Sean does not wanna shop Instagram looks. But then it's going to come up just like this. And then you can go down and look at all the different Instagrammers that are on here. But then if you go to search, you can type in, I typed in Jenny Cam Beauty because obviously you're going to want to find Jenny Cam Beauty first to see all the fun looks that I post. And all of these will come up. You can click on one of them. And I'm showing you here how it shows you everything that's in the looks. You can find one and shop that one. But if you click on my picture, Jenny Cam Beauty, then you can just click follow underneath it. And then every time I post something, it will show you exactly what I posted. And each one of these pictures has the shoppable links underneath them. So you can shop every single look that I post, and every single look has each one of those things linked in it. So I've done all the work for you. You do not have to search each one of these things. If you just like the pants, whatever. So here I'm showing you that I clicked on the top. It'll take you straight to the website, and then the website will show you exactly the price. This one was on sale, 50% off when I did this screen recording. So I just added it to my cart, and then down below it says you can apply the discount. This is super easy. Like I said, I've done all the work for you, finding each one of these things and linking them for you. So it is easy and free to just shop the looks. And that's that. Okay, I'm showing you here that if you go to your home button, you can see that there's tons of other influencers in here. You can go to your like page, and if you've liked any of these things, if you find something you like, you can go to it and click the little heart button, and it will save it for you so that you can come back to it later whenever you have money, or if you can't afford it right now, you can come back to it later. You can save all these things in your likes for another time, and you can come back and shop them another time. All right, guys, that was how you shop your favorite YouTuber, which is probably me, right? Your favorite YouTuber or Instagrammer or social media person's looks that they post. If you follow me on Facebook or on Instagram, when I post a link and I say, follow me in the Like to Know It app to shop these looks, all you have to do is go to your Like to Know It app, find Jenny Cam Beauty. I will put everything that I post is also posted in the Like to Know It app. You can click on the picture. It will show you shoppable links from every single look that I have posted. And there you go. You can shop those really quickly. I also wanted to say that all of those links are commissionable, which means that every time you shop from my links, I receive a small commission, which supports this channel. It helps me to make more videos for you guys. It supports my family. And I appreciate you guys so much for shopping my links and for supporting my channel. I appreciate all of your comments, all of your likes. I just really appreciate you guys watching my videos, commenting, liking. You guys are the best, and I love you, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.